Good morning everyone, how's everyone doing today? Fences of Paul here on YouTube. So I'm coming to have a look at the repair cafe today, this morning. Starts at 9:30 till 12:30. So let's go have a quick look in there. And then they've got community fridge, so I'll be at community fridge. So yeah, turn you around. So yeah, 9:30 to 12:30. Repair cafe. Just up here. Get this poster for like thumbnail. So yeah, repair cafe in there. Don't think there's going to be anything going on in here. Let's film, freeze you for a minute. Talk to you in a minute. So nobody here at the moment. Sorry, I can't donate. So people donate, but sorry, I haven't got money on there. So repair cafe. So they repair all different stuff. Morning, how are we doing?
We're having fun.
Yeah, what are you repairing here?
Sorry?
What are you repairing here?
My brother and Michael and Susan helped to run the cafe.
Okay, yeah.
Here, and
So what's that,
they told us about it.
was it?
It's kind of fascinating to see all the different things that are going on here.
Yeah, yeah. So what's this for getting repaired?
What was it?
Oh yeah, good morning.
No, it's a speaker.
What's getting repaired here?
What
What is getting repaired here?
You're getting a radio.
It's a speaker.
Speaker, okay. I do like YouTube stuff all around my own keys. And Phil told me to come up and film in here.
There's all sorts.
Yeah, so
It's fantastic.
what's it, a radio did you say?
Yeah, it's a radio. And so all we've done is we've made a new backlight
Oh,
to go
okay.
in the display.
Yeah,
Just, it's just getting to these things half the time.
Oh, right, yeah,
Once
yeah.
you can peel back the layers and get inside, then
yeah.
you're halfway there.
Okay. Okay.
Hang on a minute.
Also,
Excuse us,
sorry.
Clearing out her husband's treasures.
Good morning, how are we doing? What's getting repaired here? What's getting repaired here?
Sorry?
What's getting repaired here?
Mixer.
Mixer, okay. Let's go over. Want to say good morning?
Good morning, world.
What are we at? So what are you going to be doing here? Good morning, what are you going to be doing here?
Hello.
Hiya, good morning, I do YouTube stuff around my own keys.
Okay.
So what's going to get repaired here?
Whatever is brought along.
Okay, yeah.
Wait and see. The list is over there.
Okay, I should have got that first. Should have got the list early.
Yeah, so although they've got people here, although they've
So
got
there's
people
the
here-
list, sorry.
Oh, yeah,
Sorry.
go ahead.
Clocks, mixers, kettles,
Yeah, so I
chairs and all that. So yeah. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
What's getting repaired here? A foot thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So like a foot.
It's about the repair, main repair. They put that on it, I think.
Come on,
That's
fucking
it.
isn't it?
Foot massage.
Yeah, that's it.
We can sit on it, have a bum Got really.
Morning, how are we doing? How are we doing? What's that? A shears. Oh, okay. couple shears getting repaired there. Good morning, good morning. What's getting repaired here? Was that a charger getting repaired? Hopefully, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. So yeah, it looks like a kettle getting paid here. Is that a kettle getting repaired here? Good morning.
Good morning.
What we got paid here?
Calculator.
A calculator, okay. So yeah. Huh. So yeah, got Jack the Ripper. That's Stantonbury Theatre. I'd love to go on the tour of Jack the Ripper at London, where they do it at, so yeah. So what else we got? I think we can get teas and coffees here. Morning, you alright? Good morning, ladies. So yeah, just tea and coffees. My friend there, Jody. How do we do, mate?
I'm alright.
You good?
One more time in life.
Uh,
No men in the house. A kettle's getting fixed.
oh, okay. So is that good? Good morning. How are we doing? You okay? That's getting repaired, yeah?
Yeah,
that's
well, advice, sort of, yes.
Oh, right, yeah.
It's a consultation at the moment.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the repair cafe. They do it, God knows, do it occasionally. Let's make a chocolate. So there you go, repair cafe in Walton. Right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul, share, comment, like, and catch you on the next video. Bye for now, bye for now.
Okay.